Hello guys, if you're following my channel, you know that I am a fan of mechanical keyboards and I love to disassemble them and do the modding and all the stuff. And for this, obviously, you need a screwdriver set and other tools. So today I want to share with you my experience of using this screwdriver set, and this is electric precision screwdriver set from XCOOL brand. So first of all, what you will have as a set, you will have a screwdriver set itself. You will have, in addition to that, tweezers, USB-C cable, and pry bar. But let's check what we have inside this box. So first of all, this box is metal with this red button and USB-C port. So basically you can charge your screwdriver through this case and you will be able even to see the progress. So inside this aluminum box you will have 48 S2 steel bits, 39 for screws and 9 for drilling. So basically this set is also includes the drilling bits. So you will have 3 very tiny on this side and another 6 on the same side with a screwdriver. And basically the screwdriver itself. So on the screwdriver itself you will have several buttons to like screw in or screw out or just keep it working. And on the front side you can change, and for example between if you need drilling or you need screwing, you can change this head one and you will have this option. So inside this screwdriver we have 400 RPM motor, which is pretty unique for these types of products. You have 5 adjustable torque stages for very precise power distribution. Depends on what are you doing, like with what you are working, because you can work with something like a keyboard or something like a watch. So you need different level of power. So on a small screen you can see what level of power you are now selecting from, I mentioned already, 5 levels or drill mode, correct? So weight of this screwdriver is around 60 grams, like 60. It's very light, but still battery is pretty capable, so you can screw and unscrew like around 500 screws and do like another, I don't know, 20-30 holes in aluminum plate. So in general, as for me, this set is more than enough to be able to mod any keyboard, to be able to unscrew the bigger screws on the outer side, like on a case of the keyboard. And then I can work even with internal part of the keyboard, for example, USB-C, small plates, or maybe screens plates, where I need very tiny bit from this set and very tiny power set, maybe to second or third level, to be able carefully unscrew these small pieces and do what I need to do and then put them back. So if you are looking for something like that, check this out. By the way, when you are putting back this screwdriver, it's charging, because this case can be charged if you connect USB-C cable. Very stylish, aluminum, a lot of bits and drills inside, everything what you need, and even several additional tools as a part of the set.